Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to review this Tozo HT2 wireless headphones, and I think it's going to be very popular and it's already famous, and Tozo is very keen to promote it, and I think this must be good, and that's why it is been making headlines. And this is Tozo's first headphone, and you can see it's a very good box, and there is so much on the box. You can read all these by pausing the video, and you will have 4 color options, so you can select it. And its price is only $50, which is, I think, nothing if we look at headphones prices these days in the market. And also I have to mention that this box is very premium. You see, this box is very premium for $50. So I think without wasting time, I should unbox it. So designed by Tozo in California. So let's see what's inside. So here you get 2 paperwork, which will be very useful because this is a very different type of headphone, and I will tell you why. So this is it. This is Tozo HT2. Let's see what we get here. So one is 3.5mm jack, and the other one is your charging cable. So you can, the one main feature is it's wireless and wired, both functioning. Like if it is run out of battery, you can also plug in this 3.5mm jack, and you can use it wired as well. So that's very good. And now as far as the headphone look is concerned, and packaging is also very good. So this is it. This is Tozo HT2, and the first look or feel in the hands is very good. They are very good ear pads or ear cups, whatever you would like to say it. And the headband is also very foamy. I call it foamy. So it's very good, and the build quality is really excellent. It is a very solid headphone. See, so that's very surprising. I thought that it will have a cheap build, but no, it is very solid. So you get nothing more. So my first impressions are very good. I really like it. It's black color and it's matte finishing. So if you like matte finishing, that's the one for you. So here are your all options. So if I look at this, you can see, so there is a lot of things happening here. You can see, so I already told you that this is not a normal headphone. It has a lot of features, you see. So I am going to give you a proper review of this after using it, so stay tuned. That's it. So hi friends, welcome to my review section. So I have used it for a day now, and now I'm going to present you my honest opinion and experience with you. And first of all, let's start with its fit and comfort. I had no problem wearing them. Like there was absolutely no pain. They were too comfortable, and like they are very soft, and they are very tightly fit. That's very good thing. Like if you shake your head multiple times or again and again, this is not going to get displaced at all. So that's very good thing, like they are very tightly fit over your head. So that's very good, like for fit and comfort I would say 10 out of 10. Now let's talk about its compatibility. Like, so you get actually a full Tozo app here as well, like you can, so you see, so you just have to press this button and this will be on, and then you can connect it. So you see, its connectivity is super fast. See, so you have many options here to select, and these are the Tozo headphones, and they have actually really surprised me, and I'll tell you why. So now if we connect it, you have many options, like you can directly choose whatever mode you want. For example, noise cancellation mode, transparency mode, and it will be activated directly. And similarly, reduce wind noise, and there are other methods as well, for example normal mode. And that's not it, the main thing is its EQ performance. So you see, more sound effects, and now just look at this. This is like tuning switches on IEMs. If you have heard, this is the first headphones with these kind of things. I had never saw anything like this before, and this actually works. That's very surprising. For example, if I want to have more bass in my music, so I will just simply select it, and it will impact the music I'm listening, and the difference is 10 to 15%, and that's it. You don't need more. And similarly, if I select treble minus, it immediately minus the treble of the videos I am watching, and the sound quality is absolutely as per my type. So that's actually very amazing. You can have anything pressed here and Tozo will work the rest. And if I talk about its main, like if we don't change these things, it is very good, like it is very detailed. And it has a very good bass, but it is not super bass boosted like extra bass. It does not have extra bass. Its main bass is very good and it is detailed, and it is not deep. Like you have many options here to make it like deep, and it will immediately change the bass of the music. Oh, I didn't talk about its buttons here. You can up the volume from here and down the volume from here. This is your shutdown and activate button, and this is your charging port and 3.5mm head jack, and this is your noise cancellation option. And but you have at least 6 modes on Tozo app as well. So that's really good. Now if I talk about its active noise cancellation mode, I think it is really good in $50 earphone set, because I've had earphone set overpriced $100, and I have matched it with those and I didn't find any significant change. So its active noise cancellation is also very good, and it's no ordinary. Like I am not saying that it's ordinary or average, it is very good. And I have actually nothing more to say about its quality. Like I am very surprised to see how many sound change you can have you have been given by Tozo, and it works. Like if I click here deep, the sound changes immediately, and the music I'm listening to, it has a 10 to 15% change, and the bass is now deep, and I really enjoy it. So I think Tozo has done a wonderful job. I actually didn't think that it was going to be that much good. So I am also very surprised. And this is my personal review. And the battery timing is also very good. It is being said that it has 60 plus hours. So I have actually used it for 6 to 7 hours, and the battery I think was 86, and now I think it is, I should say now it is 81. So the first battery timing check is very good. And now coming to my recommendation, I think in 50 US dollar, honestly speaking, the look is not that much great. This thing I didn't like much. I think this could have been better, but overall it is a good headset and I can easily recommend it to you guys. You can try it, and you won't be disappointed. That's, I am 100% sure. So if I sum up my video, it is good in fit, it is good in comfort level, it has very good active noise cancellation, and it has a very good build quality. Like it is very solid, you can feel it, and the earpads are also very soft. And it is wireless plus wired as well, and it has an app which where you can customize your whole sound quality experience for you. So I think what more do you need? And also the packaging is also very neat and premium. So for Tozo, I just have to say that your first ever headphone has really impressed me, and I think you have done a fine job, and I'm sure that you will improve even better. And I have given you a discount code in the link as well, in the description as well. So I'm so you should check it out so that you can have it more cheaply as well. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, I would like you to subscribe it. And thank you for watching my video.